Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn everyday spaces into dream destinations. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you're anything like us, your backyard is your sanctuary, but it can be hard to relax when you feel like you're on display. Today, we're tackling one of the most essential elements of a truly private and peaceful home: privacy fences for backyards. Whether you're planning a new build or upgrading your current space, this video is packed with inspiration, practical tips, and our top 10 best fence ideas to help you create your ultimate outdoor retreat. Let's get started. At its core, a privacy fence is any barrier specifically designed to obstruct the view into or out of your backyard area, creating a visual and often auditory screen between your property and the outside world, be it a neighbor's yard, a street, or a public area. Unlike purely decorative fences or simple boundary markers, privacy fences are typically characterized by solid construction with no significant gaps, usually reaching a substantial height, often between 6 to 8 feet depending on local regulations. This solid structure is what provides the necessary visual acuity, transforming your open space into a contained, intimate, and private outdoor room. It's the architectural element that defines your personal space outdoors, allowing you to enjoy your patio, pool, or garden without the feeling of being watched. The benefits of investing in a quality, privacy fence are numerous and extend far beyond just blocking a view. First and foremost is enhanced security and peace of mind. A tall, solid fence acts as a deterrent, making unauthorized entry more difficult and protecting valuable outdoor items. Secondly, they are crucial for safety, especially if you have pets or small children, ensuring they remain safely contained within your property lines. Thirdly, a privacy fence can significantly reduce noise pollution. While they won't block out everything, a solid fence can absorb and deflect some street noise or loud neighbor activities, making your patio time much more relaxing. Finally, and perhaps most importantly for design enthusiasts, they add incredible aesthetic appeal and property value. A well-maintained, stylish fence provides a beautiful backdrop for landscaping and outdoor decor, literally framing your yard and instantly elevating your home's curb appeal and overall market value. Your privacy fence shouldn't just be a wall, it should be a key part of your exterior decor. One of the most popular and beautiful ways to decorate a fence is with vertical gardening. Install simple brackets or mounting hardware for hanging planters, window boxes, or vertical garden pockets, creating a stunning wall of color with petunias, ferns, or succulents. Lighting is another powerful tool. String lights, like classic fairy lights or commercial-grade stringers, draped along the top rail or posts, instantly create a magical and inviting evening atmosphere. For a more sophisticated look, mount subtle upward-facing wall sconces to highlight the fence texture and greenery. Accessorize strategically. Hang weather-resistant art, decorative mirrors to make the space feel larger, or even use the fence to support a small outdoor bar top or shelving unit for drinks and candles. Remember, a blank fence is a perfect canvas, so don't be afraid to let your personal style shine through. To maximize the functionality and style of your privacy fence, consider these essential items. The first is high-quality hardware. Invest in durable, rust-resistant hinges and latches, especially for gates, to ensure longevity and security. Next, consider fence toppers or extensions. If local rules allow, adding a decorative lattice panel or a row of planters can give you an extra foot or two of privacy without completely blocking the view. For decoration, the best items are weather-resistant materials. Look for metal art, treated wood signs, or synthetic wicker planters. Arbors or pergolas built adjacent to the fence are also fantastic items, as they transition the solid vertical line of the fence into an inviting overhead structure for climbing vines and shade. Finally, regular sealant or stain is perhaps the most important item for wooden fences, protecting the wood from the elements and maintaining its rich color. Now for the inspiration. Here are our top 10 best privacy fence ideas, featuring various materials and design styles to inspire you for your next project. 1. Classic natural wood shadow box fence. This beautiful, light-toned wood fence offers high privacy and a timeless aesthetic. The shadow box design provides a subtle, decorative pattern while ensuring the yard is completely screened from view. The natural wood color is perfectly complemented by the surrounding lush greenery and simple, well-defined shrub beds, creating a warm and welcoming boundary that blends seamlessly with the natural landscape. 2. White vinyl fence with decorative landscaping. A crisp white vinyl fence provides a clean, modern backdrop that requires minimal maintenance. The design is completely solid, offering maximum privacy. The beauty of this setup is amplified by the diverse, colorful border of shrubs and perennials. showing how vibrant landscaping can pop against a neutral high-contrast fence color. 3. Tan vinyl fence with vertical flower garden. This appealing tan-colored vinyl fence acts as an ideal canvas for vibrant decor. The long fence line is broken up and brought to life by numerous hanging baskets overflowing with pink petunias and white flowers. This setup perfectly illustrates how a solid privacy fence can be decorated to introduce stunning vertical layers of color and texture into the backyard. For high white vinyl stockade privacy fence, this very tall, solid white vinyl fence offers the highest level of privacy and uniformity, essential for suburban settings where homes are close together. Its robust construction defines the outdoor living space, creating a secure and secluded area for the patio, fire pit, and gathering spots within the enclosure. 5. Modern horizontal slatted wood fence. A striking contemporary look achieved with richly stained horizontal cedar or hardwood slats. This design is mounted between sleek, dark metal posts, offering a bold contrast that enhances the modern linear style. It's a high-impact design that provides excellent privacy, while significantly boosting curb appeal and architectural interest along the sidewalk. 6. Deep brown composite full privacy fence. This durable composite fence features a deep, rich brown color that resembles dark-stained wood but boasts the longevity and low-maintenance qualities of composite material. The uniform vertical boards are secured with thick posts, creating a strong, private perimeter that works beautifully in a setting with natural hills and foliage. 7. Gated modern wood privacy wall. A luxurious, custom-built privacy wall composed of horizontal wooden slats. The design incorporates a built-in wooden seating bench against the back wall, effectively turning the fence into a functional piece of outdoor living area furniture. The natural wood tone and integration with large trees create an intimate, sophisticated urban oasis. 8. White picket top privacy fence with rock border. This fence combines the classic charm of a decorative white picket top with a solid lower panel for privacy. The base of the fence is elegantly bordered by a strip of dark mulch and a clean line of white landscaping rocks, creating a polished, manicured garden bed that softens the solid line of the fence. 9. Classic white lattice-top privacy fence. A traditional and popular option, this solid white fence features a decorative lattice section along the top. The lattice allows for a little visual relief and is perfect for supporting climbing roses, as shown, or other flowering vines, adding a romantic and custom touch to the privacy barrier. 10. Natural green arborvitae hedge screen. While technically not a manufactured fence, a dense, tall row of arborvitae trees serves as a living privacy screen, planted in a neat raised wooden border. This natural solution provides total visual block, year-round color, and a soft organic boundary, perfect for a greener aesthetic. We hope this deep dive into privacy fences has given you the confidence and inspiration to transform your backyard. Remember, a privacy fence is a long-term investment that dramatically improves your quality of life at home by creating a secluded, beautiful, and safe space. Whether you choose the warm look of wood, the low-maintenance appeal of vinyl, or the organic elegance of a natural hedge, the right fence will turn your yard into the true outdoor oasis you've always dreamed of. Which of these top 10 fence ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found these ideas helpful, and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips on making your house feel like a dream home. We release new videos every week, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.